This vehicle represents Storm Runner's revolutionary approach to extreme off-road recreational vehicles, combining military-grade engineering with adventure-ready capabilities. Over the next hour, we're going to break down every aspect of this beast, from its intimidating exterior design and tactical interior to its monster performance, rugged technology, bulletproof safety, pricing, and ownership considerations. So whether you're an extreme adventure enthusiast, an off-road expedition leader, or someone seeking the ultimate go-anywhere lifestyle, stay tuned, because this review is going to cover it all in detail. The first thing that dominates your attention about the 2026 Storm Runner 6x6 camper is its commanding design. Storm Runner has taken a no-compromise approach, blending tactical functionality with aggressive presence. Unlike conventional campers that prioritize comfort over capability, this monster features reinforced steel body armor, integrated roll cages, and a menacing front fascia designed for serious terrain conquest. Aggressive LED light bars and tactical lighting systems provide visibility in any condition, while military-spec paint finishes offer durability and stealth options. The vehicle dominates on massive 37-inch all-terrain tires across 6 wheels with beadlock rims, providing unstoppable traction whether traversing desert dunes, rocky mountain trails, or muddy forest paths. It's not just a vehicle, it's a mobile fortress that reflects extreme capability and engineering excellence without compromising Storm Runner's reputation for indestructible reliability. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Storm Runner 6x6 camper is nothing short of tactical luxury. Step through the armored side door and you're greeted with a mission-ready cabin designed for extreme environments and maximum functionality. Military-grade materials such as ballistic nylon upholstery, aluminum diamond plate accents, and tactical red lighting create a purposeful yet comfortable atmosphere. The camper accommodates 6 passengers in combat-style seating during travel, but once positioned, transforms into a command center complete with deployable work surfaces, equipment storage, and a field kitchen. The sleeping arrangement features rugged bunk systems with memory foam, convertible seating areas, and overhead gear storage. Reinforced panoramic windows provide 360-degree visibility, while advanced climate control ensures comfort in extreme temperatures, whether positioned in Arctic tundra or scorching desert environments. Under the hood, the 2026 Storm Runner 6x6 camper delivers devastating off-road performance. Storm Runner has equipped it with a turbocharged Cummins diesel inline-6 engine, producing 450 horsepower and massive 1,050 pound-feet of torque delivery. This means conquering the most challenging terrain with authority, scaling steep rock faces, powering through deep sand, and maintaining momentum in conditions that stop conventional vehicles. The advanced 6x6 drivetrain features locking differentials on all 3 axles, with selectable terrain modes for any challenge. Storm Runner engineers have developed an independent suspension system with massive ground clearance providing stability on extreme angles while absorbing punishment from harsh terrain. With dual fuel tanks and expedition-grade fuel efficiency, this camper proves that extreme capability and long-range exploration can work in perfect harmony. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Storm Runner 6x6 camper focuses on mission-critical systems. The command center features a ruggedized 12-inch tactical display with GPS navigation, weather radar, and Storm Runner's proprietary off-road mapping system. Military-grade communication equipment, satellite connectivity, and emergency beacon systems ensure contact with civilization from the most remote locations. The camper includes integrated solar charging systems, portable power stations, and expedition electrical management for extended off-grid operations. Advanced recovery equipment including winches, traction aids, and emergency repair systems are seamlessly integrated. The tactical equipment management allows organization of gear, weapon storage, and survival equipment through modular mounting systems. Safety and survivability reach extreme levels in the Storm Runner 6x6 camper. It comes standard with storm armor protection, including reinforced passenger cage, impact-resistant glazing, run-flat tire systems, and emergency egress protocols. The comprehensive survival suite features GPS tracking, emergency communications, first aid integration, and automated distress signaling capabilities. Advanced rollover protection, multi-point harness systems, and fire suppression equipment provide maximum security during extreme adventures. For expeditions in hostile environments, the camper includes NBC filtration, water purification, emergency food storage, and extended life support systems, ensuring survival in any scenario, whether exploring remote wilderness areas or disaster relief operations. Of course, extreme capability commands premium pricing, and the 2026 Storm Runner 6x6 camper starts at approximately $285,000. This positions it among serious expedition vehicles, competing with military surplus and custom-built exploration rigs rather than campers. For professional operators and extreme adventurers, the Storm Runner Tactical Edition reaches $385,000 and includes advanced armor packages, communication upgrades, specialized equipment integration, and professional operator training. Compared to hiring expedition outfitters or purchasing separate off-road vehicles and camping equipment, Storm Runner delivers complete capability, making this camper attractive for serious adventure professionals and enthusiasts. Financial considerations for such specialized equipment extend beyond typical recreational purchases, and Storm Runner offers expedition financing, commercial leasing options, and professional operator programs. Long-term value retention benefits from Storm Runner's bulletproof construction, limited production numbers, and growing demand for extreme capability recreational vehicles. Commercial operators can access specialized financing through equipment lending and adventure tourism financing companies. Insurance through specialized carriers familiar with extreme use vehicles ensures appropriate coverage. Now let's discuss the extraordinary advantages of the 2026 Storm Runner 6x6 camper. Its greatest strength lies in Storm Runner's uncompromising approach to extreme capability, providing operators with confidence in the most demanding adventure scenarios without mechanical failure or operational limitations. Combined with its diesel powertrain delivering both massive torque and impressive range, you have a camper that redefines off-road exploration while maintaining expedition-level reliability. Its tactical interior appointments rival professional expedition equipment, offering functionality for both weekend adventures and extended wilderness operations. The integration of military-grade technology, extreme survivability, and Storm Runner's engineering excellence creates an unmatched proposition in the extreme adventure vehicle segment. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Storm Runner 6x6 camper transcends conventional recreational vehicle categories entirely. It represents ultimate capability, tactical functionality, and engineering supremacy in one unstoppable package. Whether you're a professional expedition leader, an extreme adventure enthusiast, or someone who demands go-anywhere capability without compromise, this camper delivers beyond every challenge. Here at Magica, we believe this Storm Runner represents the pinnacle of extreme off-road capability for those who venture beyond civilization's boundaries. If you've enjoyed this intense review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming reviews of the latest adventure vehicles, tactical trucks, and extreme expedition equipment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.